In this episode of Let'sTravelCaribbean.com, we're back in the water. This time, it's all about kayaking, paddleboarding, windsurfing, the Hobie Cat, and tubing. Remember, it's safety first, so you need to be able to swim to do all of these. And even if you're the most experienced swimmer, never do any of this without a life jacket on. At Sandals, Montego Bay, kayaking rivals paddleboard in popularity. It's simple and there are no special skills required. Just pick a kayak, grab the oars and paddle away. Of course, there are a few tips that can make the kayak easier to navigate, and the resort's friendly staff will be happy to share them with you. Paddleboarding is very similar to kayaking. It's just a matter of standing up and finding your balance. Don't worry if you fall off the board, it's all part of the fun. Lessons are definitely needed for windsurfing. It requires a bit of practice, but once you get the hang of it, you will want to do it over and over again. There's a reason the Hobie Cat is extremely popular. It's super relaxing. Nothing beats the thrill of the wind in the sail as you glide along the water. This is a popular activity with couples, but you can go it alone if you wish. There are no skills required for tubing, except the ability to laugh and scream at the top of your voice as a sturdy tube skims along the surface of the water. Those are just some of the fun ways to keep cool this summer. What are you waiting for? Get in the water!